Welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create eco-friendly timeline slide in PowerPoint. This is how the slide works. It will show you the tree and then it will give you the timeline, circular timeline. So starting with 1915, 1980, 2005, 2014 and 2021. And the same slide I did in some other way, some more colorful. The animation remains same, but the tree is different. And the last one is something like this. So let's see how to create this slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to View tab, enable the guides. Go to Insert tab, Shapes, select a triangle. Draw the triangle something like this. Make it no outline and fill the color with green. I'm going to edit this, right mouse click, edit points. You can see the points, the black points, just right mouse click and just increase something like this. Just drag the white points. So you got some curved shape now. You can reduce the size, make it in the center and edit point again, and you can just drag the top point something towards the left side. So you got the shape something like this. Now I'm just going to draw a leaf. For that, go to Insert, Shapes and select a oval shape. Draw the oval shape, something like this, and make it no outline and just give the same color, green. And right mouse click, edit points, and you can see the black point, just drag that both the one inside. And for the top also just dragged it inside. So you got the leaf shape. Now I'm going to just cut the leaf shape from this point. Go to Insert, Shapes and select a triangle. Draw the triangle and place it here, which I'm just going to delete the part. First select the leaf, then the triangle, go to Format, Merge Shape, say Subtract. So you got the perfect leaf shape and place it here. I'm going to add some more. I'm just going to add 2 more branches. Press Ctrl D and reduce the size. Rotate it and place it here. I'm going to add one more. Again, press Ctrl D, rotate the other side and place it here. I'm going to copy the leaf shape. Press Ctrl D and reduce the size and rotate it. And the other side also. Rotates toward left. So my tree design is almost ready now. I'm just going to select all and right mouse click, group it and reduce the size, bring in the center. I'm going to add a circle here. For that, go to Insert, Shapes and select a hollow circle. Draw the circle while holding the Shift key so that it will give you the perfect circle shape. Reduce the size and make it in center, align middle. And bring the tree the other side of the line. And for this also I'm going to give the same green color, make it no outline and green color. And I'm just going to delete this part. For that, select a rectangle, draw the rectangle to the one part, select the oval and the rectangle, make it subtract, so you can see that part has been deleted. You can remove the guidelines and align it properly. And I'm going to insert some timelines. For that I'm going to insert some shapes. Oval shape here, drag the oval shape, draw the oval shape, maybe this much size. I'm going to change the background color of the slide, use some light colors, and for this I'm going to go and give a shape outline green, make it somewhat width 3 points, and shape fill, make it white, and press Ctrl D. I'm going to make another 5 here. This is second, this is the third timeline, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. I'm going to copy the icons, which is something like this, which I've downloaded from the nounproject.com. So I'm just going to place it here. So the icons has been copied. I'm going to add some text now. For that, go to insert text and type the year. I'm going to use the font called Oswald. Reduce the size to 14 or 16. And I'm going to add some text description. For that I'm going to use a text box, and within text box I'm going to type equals LOREM within brackets 1 and enter key. This will give me some Latin text, and then you can replace your text with this text, or you can just change your text with the Latin text. Make it smaller size and place it here. Group both the text, press Ctrl D and place it across all other timelines. So I'm making it right aligned and grouping it back. So our design is almost ready. I'm just going to change the ears. And this is how my slide looks like. So it's time to give some animation. Before that, I'm just going to group these objects. Right mouse click and group it. Group all one by one. I'm going to give the animation. For that, select the tree, go to animation, enable the animation pane, and I'm going to select a wipe effect from the down, and then I'm going to give the same wipe effect for the circle, and you can make it after previous. And then for the circles, I'm going to use an animation called go to more effects and select a basic zoom, and this also you can make it a wipe effect, and from left side select this one and make the after previous. I'm just going to copy using animation painter the animation to the other objects. It's very easy. Just select where you want to copy and paste it there. So the animation is almost done now. So let's see. The tree will come, and then the circle, and then it will show you the each timeline. Now apart from this, I'm just going to show you something more, something like this. You can see here I've just used a different technique to show the tree animation, and I've used some different colors. So I'm just going to show you how to do something like this. First, make a duplicate slide and delete all the unwanted, and later we can add it. Just keep the tree and delete all. Alright, so I'm just going to take this tree, ungroup it, and go to format and merge shapes, make it union, so it will become one object only. Now I'm just going to add a shape, cover the whole slide with a rectangle, make it no outline and give some different color. Later on we can change the color, maybe orange, and send to back. I'm going to select the tree and then the rectangle merge shapes and make it subtract, but this will not work. So first what you have to do is first select the rectangle and the tree, go to merge shape and subtract. Can you see the tree has been subtracted and it will give you this object. I'm going to change this color to some light colors, and this background I'm just first going to change the background green, and this color I'm going to change to something this one. Alright, and I'm going to insert some shapes or rectangle, make it no outline. You can change any color like as you like, and send this to back, this rectangle, send it to back. And when you drag, it will show you something like this effect. For this I'm just going to give the animation, select the rectangle, go to animations, add animation, go down and select custom path. So I'm just selecting the path, something like this. So it will give you kind of animation effect like this. I can just press Ctrl D. I can add as many as I want and change the color. And this also send to back. If you want to see how this works, just play. You can make this with previous also, or you can see I have just added all this one after the another, and this is how the slide looks like. It gives you all the color and then the circular animation. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.